Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 4 maths, chapter number 1, numbers. Now let us understand ordering numbers. The procedure of arranging the given numbers either from the greatest to the smallest or from the smallest to the greatest is called ordering numbers. So ordering numbers means it is an arrangement or arranging the given numbers either from greatest to the smallest or from smallest number to the greatest number. In ascending order, the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. So if the numbers are arranged from smallest number to the greatest number, such an order is called as ascending order, and in descending order, the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest. Whereas in descending order, the numbers are arranged from greatest number to the smallest number. Now let us take few examples for both of these orders. So example number 1. Example number 1. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. A 52,235, 68,321, 45,323, 55,658, 66,897. So some numbers are given here and we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest. So therefore, first we should search for the smallest number among the given numbers. So we have learned the method of comparing numbers. So when we compare these numbers, if you look here, all numbers are 5-digit numbers, and when we look at the digits at highest place, that is 10,000's place, so here we have 5, here we have 6, in this number we have 4, here 5 and 6 here. So when we look at these digits in 10,000's place, the digit 4 is the smallest among the digits at 10,000's place. Therefore, the number having 4 in 10,000's place will be the smallest number among all these numbers. Therefore, we will write down this number first, that is 45,323. So as the solution for this question, what we do is we will write down 45,323 as the first number. 45,323. So we have written this number. I will put a tick mark here so that we will not consider in further comparing the numbers. So leaving this number, we will compare the remaining 4 numbers now. So when we look at these numbers, the digits at 10,000's place, here we have 5, here 6, 5, 6. So 5 is the small when you compare 5 and 6. So when we look at these two numbers, 52,235 and 55,658, so both numbers are having 5 in 10,000's place. So then we will move to the thousands place and compare those digits. Here we have 2 and here we have 5. Therefore 2 is smallest compared to 5. Therefore 52,235 is the next smallest number in the given numbers. So we will write down this number in the second position here, that is 52,235. We have written this number. I'll put a tick mark, and we will compare again these remaining three numbers. In this number and in the last number there are 6 in the 10,000s place, and in this number there is 5 in 10,000s place. Therefore this is small compared to other two numbers. We will write down this number in the third place here. 55,658. This number also we had written below, and we are now have only two numbers to compare. Here we have 68,321 and 66,897. So when we look at the digits at 10,000s place, we have 6 in both numbers. So we will compare the digits at 1000s place, that is here we have 8 and here we have 6. Therefore this is small among these two, and we will write down this in the next place here. 66,897. This number also listed below. So we are left now only with the only one number here, 68,321. We will write down that number here, 68,321. So now we have arranged the given numbers in ascending order. So when we have written the given numbers in ascending order, we will put a less than symbol between these numbers here. That means 45,323 is less than 52,235, which is less than 55,658, and which is less than 66,897. It is less than 68,321. So like this we can arrange the given numbers in ascending order from smallest to greatest. So among the given numbers, 45,323 is the smallest number. This is the smallest number, and 68,321 is the greatest number. This is greatest number. So like this we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Let us take one more example. So in B, similarly as we did in the previous example, what we do now is we will compare the given numbers. That is, we will look at the digits at highest place or greatest place. So here we have 1, in the second number we have 3, third number also we have 3, in the fourth number we have 7, in the fifth number we have 2. So among these digits in lakhs place, 1 lakhs place, so 1 is the smallest. Therefore 1,22,235 is the smallest among all these numbers. So we will write down that number first here. This is 1,22,235. We had written this number. I'll put a tick mark. And when we look at the digits at lakhs place in the rest of the numbers, we see here that in this number we have 2 here, 2, which is less than 7, 3 and 3. We will write down this number in the second place. This is the second smallest number in the given numbers. So 2,66,997. This number also written. When we look at these three numbers, in both of these two numbers we have 3 in lakhs place, and in this number we have 7. So one among these two must be the next smallest number. So we will compare the digits in next highest place, that is 10,000s place. Here we have 5 and here we have 4. Therefore 3,45,323 is the next smallest number. We will write down that number here. 3,45,323. And after that we will write down 3,58,351, because in the other number we have 7 here, which is the greatest among all the given numbers. So next number will be 3,58,351. Let us write down that here. 3,58,351, and finally 7,65,608. So after arranging the given numbers in ascending order, we will put the less than symbol between these numbers, which represents the given numbers are written in ascending order. So like this, you have to compare the given numbers and arrange them from smallest to greatest to obtain ascending order of the given numbers. Now let us take some examples to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Question number 2, let us arrange the following numbers in descending order in this question now. So some numbers are given here, we will arrange these in descending order. So as the solution of this question, to arrange the given numbers in descending order, what we do, we will first find the greatest number among the given numbers, greatest to smallest. So which is the greatest number among the given numbers here? When we look at the digits at highest place, here we have 5, here 6, 4, and here we have 5, and here we have 6. So we have 6 in the second and the last number in 10,000s place. And since both are same, we will now compare the digits in thousands place. That is 8 in this number. Here we have 8, and in this number here we have 6. So when we compare these two, 8 and 6, 8 is greater than 6. Therefore 68,321 is the greatest number among all the given numbers. So we will write down that number first, that is 68,321. So after writing this number, we will compare the remaining numbers. So as the last number is again having 6 in the highest place, this will be the next greater number. So we will write down this number in the second place, that is 66,897. We will put a greater than symbol here. 68,321 is greater than 66,897. We had written this number also, and we will compare the remaining three numbers. Among these three numbers, here we have 5 in 10,000 place, again 5 in 10,000 place here. So we will move to the next highest place, that is thousands place. Here we have 5, here we have 2. Therefore 55,658 is the greatest compared to 52,235. So we will write down 55,658 in the next place. 55,658. We'll put a greater than symbol here. And then after writing this number, 52,235 will be the next greatest number, because in the remaining last number we have 4 in the 10,000 place. So we will write down, we'll put a greater than symbol here, and then I will write 52,235 is greater than 45,323. Like this, we have to compare the given numbers by looking at the digits at highest place, and then after comparing we should find the greatest among the given numbers, and we will arrange the given numbers from greatest to smallest, which will give us the decreasing order of the given numbers. Let us take one more example for arranging the given numbers in descending order. As the solution of this, let us compare the given numbers here. So in lakhs place we have 1 here. In the first number we have 3 here, again 3 here, 7 here, 2 here. So this number having 7 is the greatest among all the given numbers, because all are 6-digit numbers. In these numbers, at greatest place, that is lakhs place, we have 7 in this number. So this is the greatest of all the given numbers. So I will write down that number first, 7,65,608. 7,65,608. So this is over. We have written this number. So we will now compare the remaining numbers. So coming to these numbers, in these two numbers we have 3 in lakhs place, and in this number 2, and in this number 1. Therefore 1 among these two must be the next greatest number. Therefore we will move on to the next highest place, that is 10,000 place. In this number we have 5, here we have 4. So therefore this number 3,58,351 is greater than 3,45,323. So we will write down this number here, putting a greater than symbol here. I will write 3,58,351, and then I will write 3,45,323, the next greatest number, greater than 3,45,323. we had written these numbers also. Among the remaining two numbers, so we will see we have 2 here in lakhs place and 1 here in lakhs place. Therefore, 2,66,997 is the next greatest number. So put a greater than symbol here. Write down 2,66,997. And finally, after putting greater than symbol, we will write down 1,22,235. So we have arranged the given numbers from greatest to smallest. Therefore, this arrangement of numbers is in descending order. So I hope you understood the arrangement of given numbers in ascending and descending order. I hope you understood whatever we discussed today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye children.